to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Brunette Wig Place, and today I am bringing you a review for Wig Studio One. So before I get started, I just want to remind you, Wig Studio One has a really great Facebook group. I'm a member. I think there's about 10,000 members now. It's called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Come on over, join the group. It's a great place to receive support and advice on your wig wearing and support for your hair loss. So really great group. So come on over and join. So today I am wearing this cute little style with a lot of flair. Her name is Clever, and this is by Wille, and the color is Hazelnut Rooted. So Clever, like I said, she is a little shag, not quite a pixie. I'm really not sure if you would, she's 3 1/4 in the back, so I guess she's maybe a shag / pixie combination. I'm not exactly sure what you would classify her as, but she's got a lot of layers, and she's one of these cuts that with these layers, she would really benefit from some texturizing paste and just getting in there and kind of messing her up and playing around with the fibers just to see what you can get her to do. So I'll do a turn and then we can get into all of her specifications. So here she is from the front. Really cute. You can see these chippy little cute sides sticking out, and I think you could probably get these to do the same, although I kind of liked them forward towards the face. So I smoothed her out and sort of pushed her forward and then flared out these little back pieces. So this is my right side, the back, left, and then back to the front. So really cute style. So as far as her measurements, her bang here is a 4-inch bang. They say she has a 4-inch layer up here at the crown. She has 4-inch layers on the sides, and then her nape is 3 1/4. So she, as you can see, she has a lot of layers. And so she does have some permatease because she's a basic cap. She has a lace front with a mono crown, but then the rest of her cap construction is basic cap. So, she's just, like I said, she's one that you need to get in here and kind of scrunch up these layers and play around with her. Or if you like her, like I do, more smooth, then you just smooth those layers down, but really cute. So I will show you her lace front here. I always like when they put a lace front on these basic cap wigs, because it just, for styling reasons, it just gives you that freedom to pull the hair back if that's how you want to style her. So really cute. And then she has just a piece of monofilament here at the crown that just gives her, I want to make sure you can see that, just gives her sort of a little cowlick effect. So just right there at the crown, it appears, like that hair is coming out of the scalp. So just a little something to make it a little more natural, but this type cap construction is nice because it keeps the price point down more. So she's a much more affordable wig. So as far as this color, the color is Hazelnut Rooted, and I have never tried Hazelnut Rooted. It's more auburn than I expected it to be, but I think the word hazelnut lends itself, to be an auburn. So the numbers on the number code on the color is 30296. So you've got a 6 base, that rooting is going to be a 6. So she definitely has, brunette. When we pull these fibers up, you can definitely see that darker brunette color. And then as we go out from the brunette, she's got that medium brown base. She's got a medium reddish brown and copper red highlights, and then with that dark root. So really pretty. And we'll take this color outside in just a bit, and I will show it to you outside as well. So before I forget, let me show you her ear tabs. Ear tabs are nice. I always like an Wille wig. She's got a good piece of metal in there. Of course, the way the style is, the ear tabs are pretty covered up anyway, but if you wanted to push the hair behind the ear, she definitely has that ear, tuckability where you can do that. She has nice ear tabs, and then I'm getting good coverage, around the face here. So just a little bit of bio hair showing, but not really very much. So really nice, really cute, but she is cut more to, cover those parts of your face anyway. So let me pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap here. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. She's got this lace front that runs from, you know, temple to temple, goes down onto that ear tab. So an extended lace front, but it's just a short little lace front. Then behind that, you've got a nice soft velvety strip that lays there up against your forehead, very comfortable. She's got closed lace here, and there is some permatease on the cap, but it's not, you know, super teasy. You can smooth it down, that's not a problem. She's got nice soft felt covered ear tabs. She has Velcro adjusters. She has a bit of an extended nape. Yeah, it's extended, and it's got that same velvet covering, and then she's open wefted all through the cap back here. So really, oh, and here's that mono crown. So just a circle there where you just get a little effect, you know, right at the crown there of hair growing out of the scalp. So really, really comfortable. I don't think I mentioned her weight, but she's only 2 ounces. She's super, super lightweight, which is really nice. Where I am right now, summer months, it is definitely warm out, and you know, it's just nice to be able, let me get her straightened out here, to just be able to have a nice lightweight style, you know, to throw on for these warm months. So she's really, really cute. Let's take Hazelnut Rooted outside, and we'll look at the color outside in the natural light. Okay, so I'm outside with this Hazelnut Rooted, so you can really see those copper and auburn highlights out here. I bet you can also see that, you know, the dark rooting. I love the way Ellen Wille does their rooted colors. They're very natural looking. Okay, let's take her out here in the sun. This bright sunshine today. Out here where I can find a sunny spot. Okay. So we are back inside. As you can see, that Hazelnut Rooted was really, really pretty out there in the sun. I loved how you could really see the variation in the color. And it's just a very pretty auburn. I mean, you know, reddish brown, but more on the red side for sure. So really pretty color. This is, like I said, my first time to try this color. Really, really pretty. So as far as styling and glasses and all that, I have my glasses here. So glasses are really easy with her. Ellen Wille wigs always have a nice thin ear tab, so I never have any problem with, like, you know, my glasses getting stuck on them or anything. Now with this particular style, you're gonna have to decide kind of how you wanna do your glasses. You know, do you want the hair, you know, some of the hair is gonna kind of go over it and some of it's gonna kind of go under it. So, you know, that's something you might want to rehearse a little at home, but you know, they're going on and off really, really easily. And I think just really slipping them on and letting the hair kind of do what the hair is going to do is going to be the most natural thing to do with glasses, because that's how it would be if this was your bio hair and your bio hair was cut this way. So I would not have the glasses on and then try to push them up. This style doesn't really lend itself to that, but you can certainly then stick the glasses, you know, up on top, and that looks really, really cute. So as far as styling her, I think that, you know, she would be really cute with any kind of little, you know, pretty clip. She does have the lace front if you want to pull everything, you know, over to the side. You can do that, or if you just want to go in and just stick in something just more, you know, just for decorative and leave some bang over your forehead, you can do that too. You know, either way. A headband would be really cute. This is always a great way if you're a little bothered by a wig that does have permatease on top, although as you can see outside, I don't really think the permatease shows. She's not like full of big bushy permatease. She just has, they have to put some up here to cover the cap, but they've done a good job of then going back over and covering it up with the longer hairs. But you know, if it is something that kind of bothers you, or if the part, you know, not having a monofilament part bothers you, a little headband is a great thing to just stick in. It's a great way to camouflage that if that's something that, you know, just is bothersome for you, or, you know, if you just want to change up the look. She looks really, really cute like that. Now she is, like I said earlier, you can tuck her behind the ears, and then you could put that headband on, and that would look super cute too. So a headband is going to be a really, really good style, good little styling accessory, you know, for a cut like this. So she actually looks, I really love her with a headband. I think she looks super cute like that. Just keep pulling down some bangs. That is sweet. That is so cute. So really complimentary to the style. And then of course, you know, anything else that you wanted to do, you could use some little, you know, just little clips to just stick in and just, you know, give her some decoration. You could leave the bangs and you could pull some hair out, you know, and maybe clip it back with a little clip like that, and that would look cute too. So there's all kinds of ways, you know, that you can dress up these short styles. She's not going to be one, you know, where you do a ponytail or any kind of an updo, but it's not really needed. There's not a lot of hair that's on your neck or anything. I think the back is really cute. That's where she really gets that shag effect, is back there in the back. That's really cute. And then, like I said, she's just one of these ones that if you just want to go through and kind of muss her and, you know, pull some texturizing paste through there, or use some synthetic safe hairspray and kind of, you know, squish her, you know, scrunch her and just give her some volume and some texture. I think she would be super, super cute like that. So I hope that you have enjoyed this introduction to Clever by Ellen Wille in Hazelnut Rooted. There will be information below for purchase from Wig Studio One. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.